It's a mission. It's a mission. Okay, I'll be a dog.
Gotta be Tyrone, you feel me?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You should. I'm gonna get this type of haircut, bro. This haircut's saucy, bro.
Okay.
Oh, man.
素晴らしき世界に今日も乾杯マッチに飛び交う笑い声も見て見ぬふりしてるだけの作りもんさ気が触れそうだクラクラするほどのいい匂いがツンと刺した鼻の奥目を覚ます本能のまま今日は誰の番だ
Oh shit!
Dude, you cannot throw hands, dude. I got no hands.
Get shot through a wall. Anyways, oh my bad.
Free my man. Free my man.
But
Those are yours.
素晴らしき世界は今日も安泰街に薄まく悪い話も知らないふりして目をそらした正気の境じゃない
You fool!
真面目に着飾った格子鳴らす足音が弾む行き先は消えない味が染みついている裏側の世界
I can't get a box.
What did you just do? Get out the room, get out the room. That's not enough food.
Back upstairs.
I got the glizzy. Okay. What do you want me to do? I'll talk to him,
Hey,
you
talk
kill.
to-
You're cold. You're cold, bro.
Wait! No, 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 no. That's a mistake. Go in, kill him. Oh, this cop does not care.
Here, you wanna kill them?
Oh, let's do the mission.
Oh, my man's throwing hands.
Let's box. Yes, sir. Hey, where's the mission? I like that. Left.
Free the slave. Just do the slave master, but watch out for the cop. Let me talk to the cop. So you can do it, alright? See?
Oh! Go to sleep.
Go to sleep? This man said go to sleep.
Go to sleep. Look. Dude, get knocked out, bro. Bye-bye. Oh, it's safe. Man, just killing left and right. Oh my god.
Cause we gotta operate this, bro. So I have to kill them.
Go.
Watch out.
What? Why am I getting cold, bro? Hey, come.
The generator. Wait, I'm on a tab real quick.
I can knock you out too, that's crazy.
Dude, what are you doing, bro?
I'm gonna ooze. Eddie, wake up!
I can't, bro.
Wake up!
I can't.
Wake up, bro!
You cold, bro.
Well, that's one way to do it. Bro, why the hell does spring slaves and the cops get
Hey, don't do
violent,
anything
bro?
yet. Let me clean my glasses.
I said don't do it. Everything that you am, bro.
Alright, you go. Just don't die. Bro,
Give him a slip.
oh my god, Willie.
Run, 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 run.
Willie, I tell you
Wait.
to chill last for 1 second.
Okay, but you're cold. That's fine. Too cold, bro. That's fine.
Oh shit. Let's do this mission, Willie.
You at?
We gotta go demon time on them.
Oh my
Oh my god. You can go demon time on the top guy because it's surrounded by a wall. Now talk to him. You can talk to him. Oh my god. Shit.
What's up, baby? Knock on the wall.
What's going on outside?
Get in the room, okay? Bro, I can't. Oh, I can't, bro.
Let me just shoot them all. I have.
No, 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 no,
I have freeze weight. I have free weight.
no, no, wait, hold on, hold on.
Let me freeze right her and then you kill the other one, right?
Hello?
Wait, wait.
Hey, chill.
Really? Really?
Bro, what? Hey, talk to this guy, I'll kill him first.
He's weaving. You see me on the screen? He's straight up weaving. Ain't no way.
I lost my tranquilizer gun. Alright, don't need dead, Andy.
Bro, 50?
Yeah, I'll do it. Bro. Borrow and then don't. And then kill him.
I borrowed like 200. Talk to him. I borrowed like 200 from him. 250. I'm gonna go demon time on him, bro. Oh my god. Really? We got demon time.
No. Just press it. My god, he noticed that? Wait, just run. Oh, well, I guess that works.
You know I'm on that demon time. I take his money and his life.
Oh,
I'm gonna gamble for a little bit.
Ow, gamble, bro.
Bro, you need that full cloak. Just save your money.
What are you talking about?
You're not gonna hit 20, bro.
What are you talking
I'll
about?
sell you $2 right now. You hit 50. Okay, there you go.
50?
No, don't, bro. This bro needs to be alive. Bro, stop gambling, bro. Relax. Dude, relax.
Yeah, okay. I got net positive 7, relax.
This man said net profit.
Oh, wait.
No. I have a plan.
Bro, I
So he
cannot-
comes down. He's annoyed. Oh, this way. You can see him now.
Oh, my bad.
Alright, there.
Oh, the thing is not showing up. Oh,
That's what I was telling you. That's what I'm saying, bro.
yeah.
I'm the brains of the operation, bro. Bro, that's
Bro,
5
yeah.
head. Close the door when you do it. Oh my god, dog.